Good morning! So today, I'm already running late, but I have a little friend with me. I'm taking Vincent because I need to drop him off to my sister-in-law's later because we're leaving early tomorrow for San Francisco. So instead of going home, I thought I'd just hang out with him and go. He's getting all tangled. Filming and walking your dog is kind of hard. So I'm heading to the studio now. I'm supposed to meet someone there at 11:30 and it's 11:45. Sorry, Jeff. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff to do, a little bit more prepping, and yeah, let's get to the studio. I am at the studio and my dog won't stop barking. I feel like I don't take him out enough. That's probably why he's acting all weird. So yeah, like I was saying, I am late, but they said they are close. So I have their order ready to go. And in the meantime, last night, I stayed up until almost 3 o'clock in the morning because I had to edit 2 of those vlogs that I'm about to put up. I just need to create a thumbnail. And I also folded like around 250 of the new cards that I plan on bringing. I really don't know how much to bring, and my husband's like, well, we have a car, so bring as much as you can. So I'm gonna take his advice, and if it doesn't sell, it doesn't sell, and hopefully I'll find other ways of selling it. But like I said, I'm also creating like a wholesale catalog. So my goal for the next week after I get back from San Fran is to finish that wholesale catalog, which is why today I am going to take photos of the envelopes so that I can overlap them, basically photoshopping my cards while, whether we're in the car to San Fran or if we can't go out in the night or something, I can work on that. So I do need to take a photo of that. Right now my hard drive is not showing up. I don't know why, but it's not. And that's my dog. He's been like that. I think he's just freaking out because it's a new place. But yeah, oh, there it is. Yeah, they should be here soon. Sorry, I'm getting texts. Okay, let me get back to work and I'll see you guys in a minute. Bye. Thought I would film my friends coming in picking up my order, but they just left and I totally forgot to turn the camera on. But yeah, they're actually doing a pop-up in Shibuya at Hikarie, and I'm trying to get more information, and as soon as I do, I'll be posting it up on social, and I'll probably tell you guys here too, but it'll be from mid-April, I believe. So yeah, at the end of April, you'll be able to go to Shibuya Hikarie and see my cards for their pop-up. And they have an awesome subscription box called Sunkissed Box, and it's basically more for people that live in Japan, but you get LA curated goods in a box and it'll be sent to you every month. I met them by doing a craft fair and they reached out and I gave them some pins and stuff, so let's see how it goes. Hopefully, you know, their pop-up goes well. But anyways, either way, I'll keep you guys posted and I'll post everything in Japanese on my social media, so watch out. Time to take photos of envelopes. This guy here cannot relax at all. Can ya? No, he can't. Oh, you're so cute. Back at the house, I had to go to the fabric store to grab some stuff. Then I stopped by Target to grab some more stuff. Now made some dinner. We're having chicken, rice, broccoli, some miso soup, and ginger ale in a cup that we got at San Fran because tomorrow we leave early.
Foreshadowing. Boom. Leaving.
What are we eating?
Milk.
Miso?
Miso.
Tofu, yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
Some milk.
Get
Some milk all over your face.
Say cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Use both hands.
There you go. Cheers.
Use 2 hands.
Cheers, bud. Cheers.
And he's not listening to his mama. Alright, we're gonna eat now. Let's eat.
Bye.
Let's eat. Foreshadowing is when something happens that tells you something's gonna happen in the future. And we're going to San Francisco tomorrow, so the cup is for just foreshadowing for tomorrow. Yeah, and dinosaurs. And what are we gonna see? We're gonna see. What do we say we're gonna see? We're gonna see seals and butterflies. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna see seals and butterflies. So look out. Maybe that will make the vlog. What? We don't know. Foreshadowing. That's a butterfly. Boom, out. Let's eat.
So it is 11:20 at night, and I am here in my car heading to my studio because, of course, I forgot some things. I forgot one display unit. I forgot this bag I want to bring, and also I don't know if you remembered, but I sent out an order for these cards, and it's on the way to San Fran. They're a manufacturing company or a printing company, and I just got an email saying that it's ready to pick up, so I actually want to try to pick it up before we get there because I have a few new Mother's Day cards in there. So if I'm gonna pick up cards, then I'm gonna need envelopes, and I left all my envelopes in the studio, so that's something else that I want to bring. And we need to get up super early, and I totally forgot. So I'm here in the arts district. I'm gonna pick up my stuff and head right back out. And then once I get home, I'm just gonna fold some laundry that I need to bring, and then time for bed because we are getting up super early because I want to leave super early. Oh man, why do I have to forget things? I don't know. I'm usually pretty good about it, but okay, I'm pulling up. All right, I grabbed it, and this is the bag that I wanted to grab because it's easier to. This IKEA bag, it's cheap and it fits like so much stuff. So I got that. I got some envelopes to take with me. Stick that in there. Oh. Okay. I think that's it. I think I grabbed everything. So now I'm heading back to the house. So thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. Thank you to all my Patreons. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's gonna be early tomorrow, so I'll see you very soon.